Well, welcome to our lecture series on using your system from home and being able to try and finish this course up. What this little lecture is on is accessing your H drive remotely, because there may be files left on at school that you need to access, and because of the coronavirus outbreak, we are not allowed on campus to access our campus computers without filing a lot of paperwork. So let me show you how you have access from home, assuming of course you have a computer. So what I'm going to do is go to a web browser, and here we are, and default to a Google page. And what I'm going to do is go to the Hudson Valley webpage, hvcc.edu, and look past all the coronavirus stuff and go, I'm a faculty member, but you're a student, so we can use that. We'll go student. And I'll go down here to access network share drives off campus. Click on that. You need to put in your username and password, and you sign in. And you'll notice there's my H drive, my home directory. That's where your file should be. And of course your file structure will look different from mine. I have a lot of stuff on here because I do things. But you can see I've got a bunch of files here. And here's one, a room VSDX. Now, I'm not sure quite what this is, but I can click on it and I can download. And unfortunately, this is not pleasant, but you have to put it into a zip file, what's known as a compressed file. Let me show you how that works. So you give it a name here, and it's going to put this room file in it, this Visio file. I deliberately chose a Visio file. And I'll say download it. And it downloads it. Now, depending on your web browser, you might be able to open up the folder from here, but if you don't, you can click on your Start button, and you can go Documents, and instead of Documents, I'm going to go to Downloads, and there it is. There's my new file, and I just double-click on it, and there's the Microsoft Visio. Now, we don't have Visio on our home machines, at least most of us don't, but the school does provide a free reader, and you'll have to see if this works or not. You'll have to tell me if this works for you or not. I find if I just double click on this file, it opens up Internet Explorer and shows me the file. See, there it is. Now I can't edit this. I can't make changes to it. I can print it. That's about all I can do, but at least you have access to it. You see, and there's some duct work that I started. So you can see it's trying to work. And you can use this to access your H drive, download your files, and in the case of this Visio file, you can see that at least I can do some reading. So I hope that that is helpful for you. And that's all we're going to do with this particular lecture. These will all be posted on YouTube. Just take a look at look for Prof. D.H. Baxter as the user, and check out those videos.